Hello everybody, today we are going to prepare pork buffet. This is a very traditional dish of Mangalore and I will just explain to you the ingredients. So first let's start with Kashmiri chili powder. This is 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1.5 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. I have some whole spices, which is 2 bay leaves, a teaspoon of peppercorns, 2 inches of cinnamon stick, 2 cardamom cloves, and these are cloves, which is almost around 10. Half a cup of sliced garlic. This is the traditional way to cut in a pork buffet. And 2 tablespoons of ginger, which is finely chopped. This is 3 tablespoons of buffet powder. And this is vinegar as per taste. I have taken 4 onions, which I have chopped like cubes. And this is the medium sized onion, and these are 6 chilies which I've sliced them. This is 1 kilo and 200 grams of pork. I've taken a pot and I will be adding in all the ingredients. So let's add in our meat. I have not started the flame yet because we need to mix all the ingredients first. Then we'll add in our onions, the green chilies, the garlic, ginger, the buffet, the coriander and the turmeric, the Kashmiri chili powder and the cumin powder. We'll just leave the bay leaves at the very end. We'll add the whole spices, a teaspoon of salt. We will add in later if required. We will add in 1 tablespoon of vinegar. We'll add in more later if required. We'll add in our bay leaves. For 5 minutes I will keep it on high flame, and after that I'll keep it on a low flame. We had kept this on medium flame for 5 minutes, and now I will be making the flame low and giving it a good stir. I have kept this pork for 40 minutes and you can see it's cooked well. Only one piece. It's cooked properly, and I have checked the salt. It was good. I will be adding in a tablespoon of vinegar. Just giving it a stir. Please like, share, subscribe and follow my socials. Thank you.